Hello students, see this question. We have a square plate at the with the coordinates 0, comma 0, L, comma 0, L, comma L and 0, comma L. Okay, so let's draw that first. Then only we will be able to understand this question. X-axis, Y-axis, and these are your points 0, comma 0, L, comma 0, L, comma L and 0, comma L. Now the edges of the plates are clamped. Okay, the four edges are clamped means what? They cannot vibrate. The edges cannot move. That means they will be forming nodes. And transverse standing waves are set up in it. If u x comma y denotes the displacement of the plate at the point x comma y at some instant of time, the possible expressions for u are. Okay, so we have four options given and we have to check which one will give us a node at the edges. Okay, now the important point is that this is a two-dimensional wave because we have a plate. Okay, so that's why we have x as well as y coordinates. So we will check them one by one. For example, if I take the first option, so we have cos pi x by 2l, cos pi y by 2l. Let's take the point 0 comma 0. So this should be a node. So when I put 0 over here and 0 over here, this cos 0 is 1, this cos 0 is also 1. That means we are not getting displacement 0. These are the equations of your amplitudes, right? So we want that the amplitude should be 0 at 0 at origin 0 comma 0, but when you put x equal to 0, cos 0 is 1. When you put y equal to 0, cos 0 is again 1. So you are getting maximum amplitude instead of a node. So basically this is your antinode at 0 comma 0. Okay, so that's why this option is not possible. Then come to this part. Now observe this point. So when you put x equal to 0, sine 0 is 0. When you put y equal to 0, sine 0 is again 0. So we are getting a node at the origin due to this equation. Let's check this point now. So when you put x equal to L over here, so L by L is 1. Alright. When you put so L by L will be 1. So sine pi will be 0 again. Okay. So again your function is becoming 0 at this point. So we are getting a node. Now check this point. So along this edge anywhere when you take x equal to 0, on this edge x equal to 0, so x equal to 0 will give you sine 0. Okay, so this amplitude is this is becoming 0 amplitude, so it's giving us a node. At x equal to L, again x equal to L is giving me 0. At y equal to L, if I put y equal to L over here, I am getting sine 0, that means 0. If I put y equal to 0, I am getting sine 0, that is 0. So this is my correct option because this is giving me node at all the four edges. Now check this option. So when I take this left edge, for this edge x equal to 0, so sine 0 is 0. So this edge is becoming a node. Check this edge, put x equal to L. When you put x equal to L over here, L by L will cancel out, so sine pi will be 0. So this edge is also giving us a node for this equation. Now check this edge, y equal to L. When you put y equal to L, so L will cancel out, you are getting sine 2 pi. Sine 2 pi is 0. So this edge is again a node. Check y equal to 0. When you put y equal to 0, sine 0 is 0. So this is correct. Now check this option. For the left edge, when you put x equal to 0, you are getting cos 0 equal to 1. Put this point now. Or take the origin over here. Again, if you take 0 comma 0, put 0 over here, 0 over here. So cos 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1. So basically you are not getting a node at this point. That means this option is again incorrect because you are getting antinode at 0 comma 0. So that's all we have to do over here. Just check the nodes and antinodes getting formed at the corners or the edges of the plate.